Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to solve 30 most repeated and important puzzles in the Infosys. And you already know that out of all the sections, section 5 is all about numerical puzzle. You can expect total 4 different questions. Each question carries 2.5 marks and the total weightage of these numerical puzzles is 10. It's all about understanding. If you understand the question, you can able to solve any questions related for numerical puzzles. And kindly share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different competitive examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation. So we already completed 8 different videos on Infosys. Just go through once. You understand each and every question what I discussed in the my previous videos. And all the videos are available in my playlist. You go and watch. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach us. So in every question, I will give some time. Try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. And don't worry, guys. I will explain the approach for every question in the entire video. So without any delay, let's start the session. Now, question number one: which number should replace in this question mark? So it's all about the Y, like a Y-based logic here: 21, 31, 52, 39, 46, 85, 16, 83, and a question mark. C. Use any two numbers. Use any two numbers. You can apply any mathematical operation, like you can apply addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Use any one of the mathematical operations and use any two numbers. This operation will give third number. Clear? It means you can use these two digits, you will get these, or you can use these two, you will get the last one. So in that way, you can use any two digits, apply one of the mathematical operations, it gives the resultant of other. And you can able to see that 21 plus 31 resultant is 52. Sum of these two numbers. 39 plus 46 is equal to 85. So here the resultant 16 plus 83. So 16 plus 83 resultant is 90. Yeah, very good. Move on to the question number 2. So for this kind of question approach, see, total we have 8 parts. Guys, you can check adjacent. You can go through that adjacent numbers. There is a one logic they follow. Or you can check with the diagonals. Diagonal may be equal. You can go any mathematical operations. Or you can divide it into two parts. For example, I just want to explain this one. Sometimes if you divide it into two parts, sum of these resultant is equal to sum of the other resultant. Otherwise, you can divide an entire circle horizontally. Either you can go with the sum of these two numbers, means sum of these entire portion is equal to sum of these entire portion. So adjacent is all about, see, if you consider the circle, for example, and operation can be depends on the adjacent. So what about the diagonal? You can check in this way. So diagonal numbers resultant may be a same. Or fourth one, see, you can divide it into four parts. So here, from here to here, it can be increases, here to here, it can be increases, here to here, it increases. Otherwise, let's take the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So sometimes quarter 1 value is equal to quarter 3, quarter 4 value is equal to quarter 2. So in this way, you have to divide entire circle into the different parts and apply the mathematical operations. The way you see, the way you understand is most important for this kind of questions. So you can apply one of the logic. Either adjacent or diagonal divided into certain number of parts, either sum or any mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, difference, division, that resultant may be a same. So find the answer for this question. So in this says 20. Now guys, it's completely depends on the diagonal opposite. See, diagonal opposite means, see, 11 and 21. If you go through that, 11 and 21, resultant is 26. Same way, if you go through that another diagonal, 17 plus 4. Guys, let me check with the 17 plus 4 is not 21. So 26 and 21 is not possible. 19, how it is 19? So diagonally it is not possible. Any other answer? 10, 11 is 26. Again, see, you can check with the diagonal value. So this is the diagonal. Sum of these two values is equal to 21. So again, 7, 10 plus 4 is equal to 21. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. Please excuse that. Sum of the diagonal is equal to 21. If it is a 15, the number should be replaced with a 6, then the resultant is 21. Clear? So the number should be replaced by 6. Hope you understand the approach. We have a different approaches, guys. If you practice more number of examples, then you can able to get the exact logic on your exam. So is this clear concept? Either you can check with the adjacent, you can check with the diagonal, or you can divide it into parts. So 4 quarters, any of the quarter value should be same. Clear? Please let me know in the comments. Is it clear? Move on to the next question. So which number should replace in this question mark? So try this question, one of the most important. And this question gives a different logic. If you check with the within the diagram, you never get any exact answer for this question, especially you should follow the series method. Okay, for example, sir, if I think in this way, 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 2 into 0 is equal to 10. Yes. But same thing if you apply here, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. And 2 into 6 is 12. So here 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. We want resultant is 24. So this case is not possible. See, if you apply any mathematical operations within this picture, you're unable to get that answer. It is completely based on the series. It's a 0, it's 2, it's 4. If you observe that it is increases plus 2 units. Same way, here 6, here 10, here 14. So it is increases by 4 units. Same way, 2, 6, 10, addition of 4 units, 4, 8, 12, addition of 4 units. Now see, here the sequence you should understand that 10, 24 dash. Every time it maintain the common difference, plus 14 units and plus 14 units, and the total resultant is equal to 38. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Yes, very good, Nana. Yes, very good, Nanasha. Move on to the next question. So try to find the answer. Which number should replace in this question mark? It's like a series, guys. Here it is a 2. Find the next number. Again it is 16. Again it is 256. So which number should replace in that question mark? See, it's all about the square of that number. 2 square. 4. 4 square. See, Here 2 square is equal to 4. 4 square is equal to 16. 16 square is equal to 256. That's why number should replace in this question mark is 4. Yes. On to the next question. So understand the pyramid concept. So try to go through this question. It's a pyramid shape. So we have a different numbers. There is a one number which is missing. So which number should replace in this brick? See, initially it starts from 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then it becomes 1. It's completely the way you understand that pyramid, how you will get the numbers. Srivash, very good, Anna. It's correct. So 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. 14 plus 13 is 27. 13 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 16 is 9. Same way, 27 plus 27 is 54. Then the answer must be 27 plus 16 is the correct answer. You can check here. So here the answer 27 plus 16 is equal to 43 is the correct answer. It's very good, Nana Dikshita. 43. Ramesh, good. Next, guys, if you check with a 4 into 4 grid or 3 into 3 grid, see, understand the concept. If it is a 4 into 4 grid, use any three boxes and apply mathematical operation, any math operation, either single operation or you can use two operations at a time, like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. It gives the resultant of fourth box. Same way, for a 3 into 3, use any two boxes, apply proper mathematical operation, it gives the resultant of third. See, sometimes if you go with a row operation, use 1 and 2, it gives the resultant of 3. Use 1 and 3, it gives the resultant of 2. So, use 2 and 3, it gives the resultant of 1. Anything is possible. In the same way, use 1, 2, 3, it gives the resultant of 4. Or use 1, 3, 4, gives the resultant of. And sometimes, any two boxes resultant is equal to other two box resultant. So, we have a different possible cases. So, if you fail in these cases, then the second important point, remember that either sum of row or column, or sometimes if it is a 3 into 3, diagonal, sum of row, column, diagonal must be same means the resultant is same, or sometimes it can be in the increasing order. For example, if you get sum is 40, sometimes you will get 42, so definitely next value is 44, last value is 46. Same way it is applicable for columns also, or sometimes sum of column is 40, other one is also 40, and other value must be 40. So in this way, if you go through the sum of any rows or columns may be equal, sometimes diagonals also you can consider. So these are the different approaches, guys. If you fail, means if you are unable to get the answer in one approach, you can change the approach. But in this case, yes, most of the students got the answer. Ramesh, Hindu, good. If you observe that sum of 16 and 13 means C1 plus C2 resultant is equal to C3 plus C4. 14 plus 15. But you should verify the second case whether it can satisfy the same rule or not. So 28 plus 12 is equal to 10 plus 30. You got the answer. Finally, see 29 plus 16 is equal to 45. And the resultant exactly equal to 15 plus x. No, definitely x should be replaced with the 30. Is this clear? Guys, but the approaches, you should learn the approach. That is most important thing, not question. understand the approaches. If you unable to get in one approach, you have to change the approaches. So it is only possible through proper practice. Let's check with this question. Guys, kindly like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the other people also. Now here instructions clearly mention that place 1 to 12 in 12 circles below. The sum of each side of triangle is 36. I will give you the head start of placing some of the numbers for you. And the numbers may be used once only. Guys, if you observe the question, there are 12 circles and we have to use 12 numbers. And they clearly mention that don't use any number twice. So don't go with any kind of additions. It's a time waste. You can able to see that there is a only one number is missing. So that is 4. Done. Don't go with the sum of the age and sum of these age. It's a time waste. They clearly mention that use 12 different numbers and 12 different circles. And you got to know that you cannot repeat the digit. It means there is a only one number which is going to replace in that circle is 4. That's it. Smart work. Yes, Anusha, Sirisha, good. Next, let's go through the next question. Either you can go with the perform row operations or column operations and find the resultant. Yes, very good. If you check with the column, so 5 into 8 into 10 is equal to 400. Verify whether it can satisfy the same condition. 6 into 9 into 7. So total resultant is 378. Now see 5 into 7 into x is equal to 315. And you know that it's all about 35 into x is equal to 315. You know that 35 into 10 is 350. But we need 315, so it is exactly 9 times. Guys, this is my Telegram channel. You can search at the rate of V2V. You can get my channel name Vision to Victory, or you can scan this QR code, guys. Why? Because after every live session, I will update this material in my Telegram channel, and you can download and practice once again before going any exams, guys. And you can check the previous content also. So whenever I completed any live, I will update this material in my Telegram only. So kindly share, and before following my any of my channel, just go through the content. If you like, then only you can follow, and check what kind of updates I am given in every channel, guys. Next, try this question. Shankar, definitely you can reach me through Instagram. You can text me in Instagram. We will figure it out. Don't worry. Now see, 1 into 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Same way, 3 into 6 into 5 is equal to 90. So your answer, 2 into 7 into x is equal to 56. So 2 into 7 is 14. If you multiply with the 4 times, then the resultant is 56. Yes, good. Anisha, multiplication of column, good. Shirisha, Khan, good. Yes, Guys, observe that it's a triangle. We have a three vertices, right? Use in these three vertices. Use any mathematical operations. You will get the resultant of center. And sometimes you have to use double operations like multiplication, addition, multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, division. Reverse addition, multiplication, addition, division, addition, subtraction. So in this way, use any two operations sometime. If you did not get anything in a single operation, then try to use two operations at a time. Guys, kindly like our video and kindly share this information with your friends also who are preparing for these exams. Definitely, our videos will help your preparation. In every question, I always repeat the concept and approach, guys. So you should focus more on approaches. So 17 into 3 plus 51 is 102. Good. So we will check here. So 17 into 3 as Ramesh shared. Let's check with this operation. 17, 3, 51 plus 51 is equal to 102. Yes, you got the first one. But you should verify the second one. 19 into 7. 19 into 7. So 7, 10, 70, 9, 7, 63. So total resultant is equal to 133 plus 71 is, if you check with the second one, Ramesh, kindly check with the second one. 7 into 10, 70, 9 into 7, 63. So total resultant is 133 plus 71 is not 364, right? Ramesh, it satisfies the condition number 1, but it is not satisfied with the condition number 2. So kindly check once. I'm waiting for your responses. Any other responses? See, whatever the logic, it must satisfy both the conditions. I'm waiting for others. Just you understand that here the difference between 51 and 17 is equal to 34, right? And 34 is multiplied with a 3 times is 102. See, we are using subtraction and multiplication. In one of the followers says that it is addition, multiplication and addition, but it satisfies with first condition only. It doesn't applicable for the second one. That's why you have to change the methodology. That is important. You should learn in the class. Clear? And here see same difference between 71 and 19. So you can check here. It's a value of 52 is multiplied with a 7. Then the resultant is 364. And finally see in this case 22 minus of 18. Resultant is 4. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Yes, very good, Nana. So one of the person got the answer. 36, very good. Hope you understand the logic. Guys, see, that's why you have to learn methods, guys, different methods. If you practice any different questions, you can understand the approaches. That's why practice more different questions before going any examinations. Remember that. So still, this logic is applicable for first one, but it is not applicable for the secondary case. That's why you have to change the approach. Next, try this question. This question, see, you can go in this way, sir. 5 square plus 4 square is equal to 41. And 8 square plus 7 square is equal to 113. If you apply, see why? Because the same logic is satisfy both the conditions. But if you go with the 9 square plus 6 square, 9 square is 81, 6 square is equal to 36. Then the resultant is 105, 115. Sorry, 117. But if you check with the options, you can't find. Options are 110, 116, 109, and 108. That's why, guys. So this is a perfect logic, but it is not satisfy the main question, and you cannot able to see the exact option. Then you have to go in this way, sir. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, right? And double this number is 40, and plus 1 is equal to 41. Same way, 8 into 7, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Double this number is 112, and add 1, you will get still the resultant is 113. Same way, 9 into 6 is equal to 54. If you double it, it becomes 108 plus 1 is equal to 10. Yes, Sindhu, very good, Nana. 109 is the correct answer. Yes, Ramesh, good. It's a 109. Is it clear? Still, this logic is applicable for 1 and 2. If you apply same thing, you cannot find the option, right? That's why you have to change the approach. That is most important. You have to practice, guys. Next, try this question. So, which number should replace in this question mark? See, 8 into 8, 8 into 8 plus 7 into 5. So, definitely resultant is 99. But check with the second case also. 3 into 3, 9 into 6 is equal to 63. And finally, 17 into 7. So diagonally, guys, you should multiply diagonal numbers. 70 plus 49 is equal to 190. Plus 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Then the resultant is 200. Next. Try this question. Now here the question, see, use all these 4 different boxes to get the resultant of center one. So it's a simple one. Sum of all the digits. Sum of all the numbers. So same way, 121 plus 33 is equal to 154. Same way, 61 plus 15 is equal to 76. So 154 plus 76 is equal to 230. Sum 121, 33, 61, 15. Next, so observe carefully one of the important model. Very good, Nana Supraja. Dharini Durga Prasad. Good. So try this question. Observe the numbers. See, it's not in any specific order. Observe the numbers 250, 18, 8, 32, 162, 98, 128. What can be the logic and which number should replace in that question mark? See, observe all the numbers. You can see 1. See, square of the number and double. Same way, here you can check with this number 2 square and double. Next one 3 square and double. 18. 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Next one 4 square. 4 square and double. Next one 5 square and double. And the 6 square is equal to 36. But according to the logic, you should double it. Then the missing number is 72. So you are done with the 6 square. Now 7 square is 49. 7 square multiply with the 2. 8 square multiplied with a 2. 9 square and multiplied with a 2. This is 9 square and this is 8 square and multiplied by 2. Square of that number and you should double it, then use the resultant. So here the missing number is 72. So 6 square is equal to 36. Resultant, just double the 36. Then answer is 72. Next. Try this question. Now see, if you observe the columns here, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. Then if you want this number, 11 plus 19 is equal to 30. Same follows, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. And if you want this number, 29 plus 19 is equal to 48. If you want this number, 39 plus 27 is equal to 66. These are the numbers. Next, move on to this question. Manisha, very good. Go for it. Next question. Now see, again diagonals 5 into 4 is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. If you go through the sum, it's a 26. 8 into 4, 32. 6 into 5, 30. Resultant is 62. Now 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 7 into 5, 35. So here answer is 59. 59 is the correct answer. Next. Guys, this is my WhatsApp channel. You can scan this QR code. You can get my channel name as V2V Launchpad. You just go through the content. I will update all the informations related for the different competitive examinations and we share the live materials also. If you want to reach us, you can use any one of these platforms. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us, guys. Don't worry, we have very good experience on guiding these students in an exact correct way. So kindly you can reach us. We're always there for you. Next, move on to the next question. Which number should replace in this question mark? All these questions, like you can apply the logic in number series. Whatever the logic you applied in number series, you can apply here, guys. Here also. So let's take that. 2, 6, 15, 34, 73 dash. Convert this picture into the series approach. Now see here 2 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 34. And 34 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 73. 68 plus 5. So finally, if you want to answer, 73 into 2 plus 6 gives the resultant. So 146 plus 6 is equal to 152 is your correct answer. Good. 152. Next, try this question. So if you observe the whole picture, see 4 double number 8, 8 double number 16, double of 16 32, double of 32 is 64. 5 as 10, 10 double 20, 20 double 40, 40 double 80. So 5 become 10, 10 become a 20, 20 become a 40, then 5 off of that number is 2.5. Yeah. Next, try this question. Guys, kindly like our video and share this information with your friends also. And if you are new to our channel, just subscribe and press bell icon. You never miss any updates from our channel. So definitely we will come up with more number of live sessions in your upcoming examinations. Now which number should replace in that question mark? See, if you observe that column again, 15 square plus 10 square is equal to 125. 225, as you know that 10 square is 100, then the resultant is 120. Same way, 18 square minus 11 square. So 324 minus 121, then the resultant is 203. So finally, which one is a missing number means 21 square minus 16 square. So 21 square is 441 and 16 square is 256. Let's find the difference here. So 256 become 300. Let's add 44 units. Then it become 300, right? So again 141 extra. So total value is 185. 185 is the missing number. Here, next, on to the next question. Now you can check here. You can go with any row operation or column operation and find that which number should replace in that question. Now see here, 6 into 3. We are using 6 into 3, 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. Same way 9 into 12 plus 4. 9 into 12 plus 4 is equal to 112. Same way, 7 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. Finally, 6 into 4 plus 9 gives you a resultant. 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. So here missing number is 33. It's very good, Nanusha. Next, try this question. 558, 11, 12, 99, 8, 16-7. 558, 11. You can go through any mathematical operations. Or you can use any power concepts also, square of that number or cube of that number. Anything is fine. We need a resultant and which number should be replaced in that question mark. Yes, very good, Nana. Super. So it's all about, see, 11 into first number and third number plus 3 gives the resultant of 58. And if you check with 12 into 8, 96 plus 3 is equal to 99. It is applicable. And finally, you can go with the final answer. 16 into 7. 7 into 10, 70. 7 into 6, 42. Then the resultant is 112. But according to the logic, you have to add 3 units. And the missing number should be 150. Bhavana, Anusha, Sirisha, good CSC student. Good. Try this question. Now you can able to see the simple logic here. So 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 6 square is equal to 36 and 2 square is 4. And which number should replace? 8 square 64, 2 square 4. So 644 is the correct answer. Next. Next question. Try this. Now see this question. See, it's all about 12 plus square of the first number is equal to 16. Same 25 plus square of the first number is equal to 50. Same way 51 plus square of that number. So answer 51 plus 49 is equal to 100. So missing number is 100. Yes, 100 Vishnu, very good. Harshit, Shankar, Vishnu, good. Next, try this question. Try this question. If you observe, see, sum of the row or sum of the column or sum of the diagonal. See, all the sum value is exactly equal to 15. You can check sum of the row, sum of the column, sum of the diagonal. Anything is resultant is 15. So here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Definitely missing number is 9. See, sum of row or column or diagonal. Resultant is same. That's why missing number is 9. Next, try this question. So again, see, if you observe that 36, 9, both are perfect square numbers, right? It means difference between these two numbers, 16 and a 10. Difference of these two numbers and square of that number is 36. Difference between 9 and 6 is 3 and 3 square is 9. So finally 17 and 14. Difference of that number is 3. Square of that number is 9. Next. It's like a series 123, 117, 108, 99. Which number should replace in that question mark? So from number to number, it is exactly decreases 6 units. From here to here, it is decreases exactly 9 units. Again, it is decreases 9 units. Can anyone help me out, guys? Which number should replace from 9? Means subtracted from 99 should replace in that question mark. And one of the important model, which number should I replace? See, observe that there is no particular sequence here. Observe the question why we are subtracting 6 units is most important. And we are subtracting 6 units because we are using within the digits. Number is 123 and sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Same way subtracting 9. Here the reason is 1 plus 1 plus 7. And here the reason 1 plus 0 plus 8. Same way 99 minus 9 plus 9 we have to subtract. 99 minus of 18. That gives the resultant. 81 is the correct answer. It's very good, man. Next, try this question. So we need 40 by using all the four corners given that center number. How it is possible? So try to apply any mathematical operations. You will get the resultant. So this logic is all about sum of three diagonals 35 plus 20 plus 28 and subtracted 43, it gives the resultant of 40. Now you can check if you have any confusion. So 35 plus 28 is 63 plus 23 is 83 minus of 43 is equal to 40. You can check in other case 28 plus 11 plus 16. Go through the sum here. 28 plus 11 is 39. 39 plus 10 49. 49 plus 6 55 minus of 35. Resultant is 20. Same way here 25 plus 35 plus 40. Subtracted 32 units. So 25 plus 35 is equal to 60. 60 plus 40 100 minus of 32. Resultant is 60. Next, one more. So try this one. So logic for this question and which number should replace in that question mark. So you can check with a column operation or row operation. So which number should replace in that question mark? So here 11 plus 25. You know the resultant 11 plus 25 is equal to 36. And if you subtracted 17 units, it will give the resultant of 19. Sum of these two and difference, then the resultant is 19. You can check here. 6 plus 34 is equal to 40. And subtracted 12 units, then it becomes 28. Same way, you have to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 19 and subtracted that question mark, it gives the resultant of 11. So sum of these two numbers is equal to 27 minus of x is equal to 11. The next value is 16. Next. Yes, we have two more questions. And which number should I replace in this question mark? As it's all about the opposite values here. 18 plus 17. Here the resultant is 35. And we need 38, right? Plus difference of 9 and 6 is 3. Same verify here. 12 plus 12 plus difference of 8 and 3. So 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. Finally, 13 plus, check with the proper operation guys, plus and the difference between 11 and 7. So sum value is 21 and difference is equal to 4 units. Answer 25 is the correct answer. Next, last question. So total we have 30 different models. I explained every question. I will update this PDF in my Telegram channel guys. You can download and practice once again. So before going any examination, just go through this video or download the PDF and practice all these questions. All the information available in my Telegram channel. And please, before joining any one of my channel, guys, go through the content. If you like, if you feel it is useful for you, then you can follow us and share with other people also. So definitely we will come up with more number of videos in future, guys. So kindly subscribe and share this information with your friends. We are expecting a little support from you. So definitely we will come up with more number of videos. So here the last question, which number should replace in that question mark? See here, 8 into 2, 17 into 3. 8 into 2 is equal to 16, 17 into 3 is equal to 51, sum resultant is 67. Second one, 13 into 2 plus 11 into 3. 13 into 2 is equal to 26, 11 into 3 is 33, and the resultant is 59. And the finally, x into 2 plus 13 into 3 is equal to 49. So 13 into 3 is equal to 39, right? So definitely we require 10 units. If we want 10, x must be replaced with the 5. Is it clear? It's like a series method. See, series method is the base method for any question. So before framing any kind of number puzzle or any series, we took the reference from number series concept only. Series, just learn the series concept. Definitely you can able to get 5 different models, guys. Remember that. In if you want to prepare in a proper way, module 1 in any reasoning, you just practice in these ways, series. So here you have to check with the patterns, numbers and letters. Second one is all about analogy. You can get 3 different questions: number related, word related, letter related. Third one, classification. Same number, letter, word. Classification is all about odd one out. And the fourth one is coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. And the fifth one is number puzzle. See, all these number puzzle or numerical puzzle, all these 5 different topics in reasoning is a module 1. It has the same concept and same approaches. If you practice more number of examples, you can able to solve any questions related for these 5 topics. And the weightage of these 5 topics, you can expect 5 to 8 different marks in any competitive examinations. If it is placements or competitive like Infosys, banking, SSC, or TCS, any kind of examinations, you can expect 5 to 8 different questions from these 5 topics. So it's a common concept and approaches is also same. So start workout like more number of practice examples. You can able to means you can able to recognize the logic and you can able to solve any question within the timeline. So try. If you have any doubts in this module 1, you can reach us, guys. We will help you out. If you have any questions, you can text me in Telegram, WhatsApp, or Instagram or WhatsApp. Anything is fine. And this is my Instagram channel. You can scan this QR code. You can find my channel V2V Launchpad and just check the content. If you like, if you feel it is useful for you, just follow us and share this information with your friends also. So I hope you enjoy this session. Guys, this is for you. Just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support. So until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.